Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my rolling 2026 project pan. I have new products to share with you all. I do have 13 products in this project rolling in. Actually, 7 are new and 6 are getting rolled in from the last project pan I did. So if you love project pan videos, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I was telling you that I did decide to roll in 6 of the products that I had from the last project pan, just because I want to keep working on them and meet my goals on those and finish up some of these products. So we're gonna start off with the new products to keep it a little fresh, and then at the end I'll share with you all the products that are getting rolled into this project. So the first product that's on my lips is actually this Rare Beauty matte lip cream in the shade Fearless, and this is just a little mini size. This has been in my collection for a bit. And it's just like a Your Lips But Better. Again, it's more on the matte lip cream side, and I do plan on using this on the lips and also as cream blush, and see if I can finish this off a little sooner. Again, my goal will be to finish this off, so I'm looking forward to using that up. Another product that, again, I do tightline every single day. Anytime I do my makeup, I tightline. So I'm gonna bring in this LA Colors gel eyeliner in the shade Brown, and this is just a full size. I've only sharpened it once, and yeah, again, I tightline every single day, so I'm going to be using this to tightline the waterline. It is in brown, so hopefully it works out for me. I do like a black brown or black in to tightline. I'm just going to try brown this time around. I am putting in a lip liner, but I was kind of thinking like that I should have rolled in the other lip liner that I had in my previous project. So maybe once I'm done with this, I'll roll that one closer to the end of the year if I still have it. I'll try to finish it off before then, but if not, it'll get rolled in. But I'm gonna work on this Jaclyn Cosmetics lip liner in Caramel Latte, and it's just like a mauve tone right there, like a Your Lips But Better again. So this will be nice to use and hopefully not to dry out on me. The next product, I love using a loose powder. I reach for loose powders more than pressed powder. So the loose powder I'm going to be using is one that's older in my collection, is this Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. I have the translucent light one, and as you can see, it's kind of like halfway. So I will probably bring it to the side and mark it. Again, it is pretty much halfway there, so that is my starting point. I just wanted to use up older products in my collection first, and this is what's next up to get used up. A primer that I'm going to be rolling in is this What's Up Beauty Positivity Lightweight Hydrating Face Primer. This is definitely just a hydrating primer. It doesn't smooth or anything like that, but it does hydrate the skin, and I do really enjoy it. I feel like there's quite a bit of air in here. I was thinking it's about halfway, but it might be less than that, so this may be a gimme product, I'm not sure, but when I push on it, product comes out. Again, I don't know exactly how much is in here, but once I can get the air out, I will probably try to take a picture of it to know exactly where I'm starting. I feel like I'm like halfway to 3/4 in, so I'm not really sure now that I'm thinking about it, but it'll be good to use up instead of just sit in my collection. I have a foundation list, and I started tallying up when I bought them, and this is the next one that's oldest in my collection. So this is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. This is in the shade N3 Neutral Light Medium. I put this upright and I still don't know where it's at. I kind of feel like it's up here somewhere. I usually lay my foundations to the side so I could see a little bit of window, but when I put it straight up and down, I can't see it. So I'm hoping in the next few days maybe I can see some windowing. I put a flashlight under it to the side and everything, and I can't see where it is exactly, but I feel like I'm up here somewhere. So almost new. I really actually like this foundation a lot. It's definitely medium to full coverage, but I usually just do medium coverage for every single day. I do like this foundation, and it's from the drugstore, so I could repurchase it anytime. But again, this is one of the oldest foundations in my collection, so I want to get it used up. Lastly, from the newer categories that are getting rolled into this project is this Colfi Main Match Concealer. I have the shade Cocoa Crush. As you can see, hopefully there is windowing in this product here, so I'm pretty much starting like where the F is at. You can see windows like on the side over here. A lot of people rave about this concealer, but it's not one of my favorites. I feel like if you apply a little bit too much, it does crease on the under eyes, and it does settle in fine lines. So we'll see how far I can get to this. I was even thinking maybe trying to use it as foundation to get like it used up. As foundation, I think it won't look as bad as like under eyes, because that's where most of my fine lines are. But I was even thinking about like using this as foundation sometimes to try to get it out ASAP, because again, it's not one of my favorites in my collection. I know a lot of people like this, but I feel like it's okay. I feel like it can settle in fine lines if you're not careful of how much you apply. All right, now to share with you all the 6 products I'm rolling in. So the first product is my Peaches and Cream bronzer. This is the sculpting powder in light medium. This one, my goal was to hit pan in the 2025 project pan, but for this time around I want to use it up, so we will see. I feel like I can see some lines coming through pretty soon, so we'll see. I bet this product's really gonna last me at least 6 months, which we will see. We will see how long it takes me. I think at least 6 months to use this up, so that's my goal for this time around, is to use it up. And then for this Give Beauty is also getting rolled in. This is a Pick It Up Cream Contour Powder Bronzer Duo in the shade Toastin'. My goal is just to use up the cream side of it. As you can see there, I have made quite a bit of progress. My goal was just to hit pan in the last project, but this time around I want to use up this cream powder here. I'm not going to use up this one. This is a little too orangey for my liking, and I'll probably just, I don't know, we'll use it here and there, but for now I'm just going to focus on the cream side, and my goal is to use this up as well. Next up, I want to finish this off, is the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder in medium. This, I feel like if I use it on the under eyes, it does darken the under eyes, but I'm gonna try to use it for the whole skin. And I do have some pan on this already on the side here. Hopefully the camera can pick it up maybe. On the side right here, there is pan. So I pretty much have like a dip and then product on the rest. I feel like I can finish this off in the next 2-3 months maybe. We will see how long it takes me, but I do want to focus on using this up. This year, I really want to use up products more than buying stuff. I didn't do very well. I haven't shown my yearly makeup empties yet. I haven't filmed that yet, but it's definitely cut in half from compared to other years. So I definitely want to get back on track and actually use up more of my makeup and just focus on using more makeup than just like buying and bringing in. Another product is my Chantecaille blush. I did say in my 2025 finale that I did want to repress it. This is again, a blush in the shade Grace, and it was a sea turtle at one point, but I have a big pan on here, and again, my goal is to use this up. I was saying that in my finale, I was saying that I wanted to repress this, but I do have it on my skin, and I do find that I just have to use like a densely packed brush to be able to get color to show on my skin. So I think I found the brush that I need to use and go from there. I like to test out brushes, but I just find that now by using it, I just keep forgetting that I need to use a packing brush to be able to get pigment out of this. So we will see how much I can keep making progress on this, and then eventually I will have to repress it. But for now, I think this is where our starting point is going to be, and go from there. So this I also want to use up. This one might be a gimme product. I still think I have a couple months worth of it. Is my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector in the shade Light Medium. This is where I left off in the last project. And there's pretty much just product on the sides of the packaging, as you can see there. And again, my goal is to use this up. I feel like a little bit goes a long way, and I do use this to correct my under eyes every single day. So this product lasts a while, and we will see how much this takes to use up. Maybe I should write down how many times I have actually already used it in 25 and see how much more this amount of product actually takes to use up. We will see. This next product here, I keep contemplating whether to put it in or not, but I say why not? Let's just go ahead and do it, which is my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. This is one of my favorite highlighters in my collection. It's more of a peachy gold kind of shade, and I do have quite a bit of pan there showing, and I've had pan for a while. It's taken years to make my pan get bigger, just because a little bit of this goes a long way. So my goal is to keep expanding my pan. My goal at the end of the day is to finish this off, but I don't think that's possible in this year. So at least if I can get like half of the product maybe used up, or a third of it would be a good goal, right? Maybe a third of it. We will see. I don't know. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. So even if I finish this part off, I think eventually, since it's so sensitive, I would have to repress it, but I don't know. I don't know what my goal is for this. I think I just want to expand on it. Eventually, I would like to finish this off, but a little bit, again, goes a long way, so it's gonna take a while. And yeah, I do like it. I don't have this on my cheeks, do I? I think I do, maybe. I don't remember. I did my makeup at early, like 9:30, because my daughter had softball starting again, so hopefully I can keep up with a schedule on here and not leave you guys hanging, but it is already 3 o'clock, so my makeup's been, I feel like it looks nice and healthy and a healthy glow, but it's gloomy outside, so the sun is going down. My video, I feel like lighting is going down as well, but we are done. I'm done sharing all the products that are going to be in this project. Let me know if you're doing a project pan. I'd love to check out your intro. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!